Greetings children, welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further updated videos. The following video is for class 6, subject General Science, chapter 6, Changes Around Us, part 2. Now mainly in part 1 of this lesson, we learned about what are the different kinds of changes that can happen. Which are the changes that can be reversed and which cannot be reversed. Let's continue with the lesson. Go to page number 48. We are going to see some common changes and find out if they can be reversed or cannot be reversed. You have this exercise in your textbook in page number 48. Now they have given first column, they have given the changes. In the second column, can be reversed or no. Yes or no you have to write. Now the first one is raw eggs to boiled eggs. When you boil the egg, can you bring back it to the raw eggs? No. Then batter to idli. After making idli, can you make the batter back? No. Wet clothes to dry clothes? Yes, because you can wet the dry clothes again. Woolen yarn to knitted sweater. Woolen yarn to knitted sweater. Yes, you can remove the yarn from the sweater. Then the grain to its floor. No, we cannot get back the grains back from the floor. Cold milk to hot milk. Yes, we can. Straight string to coiled string. Straight string to coiled string. Yes. Bud to flower. No. Milk to paneer. Can we get back milk from paneer? No. Cow dung to biogas. Cow dung to biogas. No. Stretched rubber bands to its normal size. Yes, sometimes you can. Ice creams to the molten ice cream. Yes, we can. So continuing with the lesson. Could there be other ways to bring a change? We are going to see the different kinds of changes that happen around us and learn more about it. Okay. So we all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil, like what you are seeing in the picture in your screen. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in its tool is fixed to the olden wooden handle? The iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. That means it expands. When you heat it, it expands a bit. Now the handle is easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly on the handle. These instruments, they should be stuck properly to the wooden handle. Okay, otherwise they might slip and fall, and it can cause harm to many people. Okay, so it has to be fixed properly. So they heat the round part and then they fix the wooden handles, and when it cools down, the rim sits properly. Okay, such a change is also used for fixing the metal rim in a wooden wheel of a cart. Now here you can see the picture. Again, the metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. On heating, the rim expands and fits onto the wheel. Cold water is then poured onto the rim, which contracts and fits tightly on the wheel. Okay, as you can see here in the picture. When we heat water in a pan, it begins to boil after some time. If we continue to heat further, the quantity of water in the pan begins to decrease. In water changes into water vapor, in the activity 7 of chapter 5, you have observed that water vapor gets changed into liquid water when it is cooled. We all have noticed melting of ice. Ice melts when it is heated. Ice melts when it is heated. What does it change into? Is it possible to change this water back into ice? Yes, we can, right? We can change the ice into water and water into ice, back and forth. We can do that. So let us observe some more changes. Children, I'm reading from page number 49. Okay. Now here in this, Paheli wants to know if you have ever seen a blacksmith making some tools. Blacksmith is the person who makes tools. Okay. How does the blacksmith change a piece of iron into different tools? A piece of iron is heated till it becomes red hot. Okay, these you can observe. It then becomes soft and it is beaten into a desired shape. What change has taken place in the iron or being heated? The it is hard. Okay, first it is hard. When you heat it, it becomes soft. Now there is one small activity in your textbook in page number 49. Take a small candle and measure its length with a scale. Now fix it at the suitable place and light it. Let it burn for some time, a half an hour, 15 minutes, 1 hour. Let it burn for some time. Now blow out the candle and measure its length again. Can the change in the length of the candle be reversed? If we were to take some wax in the pan, heat it, can this change be reversed? Now repeat activity 7 with an incense stick. Incense sticks means the incense sticks that you use in the puja room, like udin kaddi. Okay. Wait till it burns away completely. What are the changes that occur in the incense stick? The stick burns to produce some new materials. These are ash and some gases. We cannot see these gases but can sense them due to their pleasant smell. Can this change be reversed? And what about the change which occurred in the matchstick that you used for lighting the candle and incense stick? Can those be reversed? No. In chapter 4, we dissolved salt in water. Do you think a change occurred in the salt or in the water? Of course. Is it possible to reverse the change? Yes. Wait. In chapter 5, we learn how to separate salt from its solution in the water. So we can say that the change due to dissolving salt in the water can be reversed. Paheli asks if you have seen curd being set. A simple quantity of curd, a small quantity of curd is added to a warm milk. The milk is stirred and is set aside for few hours at a warm place. In few hours, the milk changes into curd. Can this change be reversed? What do you think? Can we get milk from the curd? No. We find that a few ways to bring about the changes in substances could be by heating or by mixing it or with some other substances. We also find that some changes can be reversed while some cannot be reversed. Thus, changes around us could be grouped as those that can be reversed and cannot be reversed. In higher classes, you will learn more about the ways in which changes can be made and the way these can be grouped. So that will end the chapter. So stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Please read the textbook as much as you can, and thank you, children.